So welcome once again to this section. As I said earlier, we will be continue from where we stopped in our previous course video. So in our previous video we stopped at starter template where we were activating it, but based on network we have to cut it short. So today right now we are continuing from there. So when now the network is so perfect, that is why this is where we get to. Now when we activate our starter template, now you can see the icon. You can see the icons here. This is the icon of the starter template whenever you are searching for it. So now where are you going to go next after this? You click on exit to dashboard. That is where you are going to you are going to go. So exit to dashboard. Alright, so we are on the dashboard now. Then the other plugins that we need again is Element Kit. Element Kit is another plugins we need again to help make editing so easy on our WordPress. So go to plugins again, click on add plugins. Now when you get to add plugins, you come to the search bar and type Element Kit. Now this is the Element Kit that we are telling you about. This one here, there's Element Kit here. So what are you going to do? You do what? You click on the Element Kit and install, which is you install it. There are so many of them you can use, so many. So you are not only restricted to this one, or you are not only bound to this one. Whenever you are beginning to work your site, then you can use anyone, but this is one we are going to use for the sake of this practice purpose. Now if you look at what they wrote here, now, they say this plugins was updated 2 weeks ago. And is compatible with your version of WordPress. All of them, see, this one is 1 week ago, 1 month ago. They keep giving a normal update every blessed time. Now you come here and click activate. You click activate. So when you click activate, it will be added to the number of installed plugins you have already. So we are still activating. Be patient with it. All right, now it has been activated, and because it has been activated, that is why it has been added to the what? To installed plugins. So what are you going to do? Go to those plugins you have activated and check if there is auto update. If there is no auto update, then you try and do what? And put it up to update. First one is element kit. Element kit, you see, this is one. What you would do, auto update. Then you go to starter template, and again you auto update it, which is this here. Take it automatic update. Now you have what? You have done the auto update. That means you are good to go. The element kit we download, which is the plugins, will appear on our admin dashboard panel, which is this one here. But the starter template will not appear here. It is when we want to do our editing that we now see the starter template in our editing side. Then we begin to do what? We can now use them to work. So I believe this is the 3 plugins that we'll be working on for now. As we progress in our site building, we will be bringing in some other relevant plugins. Remember, you don't bombard, you don't accumulate your WordPress with excess plugins. Even though they said that you can put as many plugins, you don't do it like that. Most especially, let me tell you something here. That is why this course is available for you to learn. We hold you by your hands and we teach you every bit of the secrets needed in this course. If you are inputting any plugins, don't jam-pack the plugins, or in the name that many plugins can come in. Remember, every WordPress and every hosting companies, sometimes their server is always having 1 or 2 issues. Not every one of them, but there are sometimes when servers will have issue. Those excess plugins, it can affect your site, because whenever the server have issue, it will affect the website from the excess plugins you are bringing into your website. So you should be careful. You should be careful the numbers of plugins you bring into your website. So with this, I'm going to stop here for now. Then in our next class, we will be teaching us other relevant and important part of our WordPress site building. I still remain Odichi Emmanuel. Join me in my next class.